So we're watering our onions and garlic. So there. Water them well. That's the onion and garlic. Ayan. Kasi this coming, those are leeks. Leeks yung mga yan. At may panakanakang lettuce. So, leeks. So, this coming week, magiging mainit na. Kaya, magiging regular ang watering nila. Ayan ang aming kamatis. Celebrity hybrid tomato. What? Okay, come here. You can spray. Come here.